Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Noor Ibrahim Buba from Team Stars, and here with me are and our project title is Smart Automated Segregation System. Our project is waste segregation. Waste segregation is the process of identifying, classifying, and sorting of garbage to help provide new materials to create new products. Waste segregation is an ideal way to reduce the effect landfill has on the environment, as well as health issues that result from the improper disposal of waste and toxins. Waste segregation is important to the society due to its role in reducing population, reducing pollution, and those things that destroy our health and sea levels in general. Our project's aim is to reduce the pollution in the environment, as well as the cleanliness and provide a clean environment for us to live in. In sorting waste accordingly, our waste segregating machine will in turn reduce waste properly and save money for industrial sites and operations. So instead of using new materials and wasting more money, you can just use the previous ones and apply the same results. It also ensures the safety of the climate to reduce pollution, which is a very, very big bad part in our safety and the Earth's safety at large.
I'll be telling you some of the SDGs and solutions our projects will be solving. First of all, the protection of life underwater. It is absolutely essential to segregate waste properly for the protection of life underwater. Any failure to do so can result in direct harm to fish and other aquatic organisms due to the presence of contaminants such as heavy metals, oil spills, and pesticides. With the help of our device, there would be less trash going into the ocean, which would reduce coral bleaching and helps bring back some of the species of fish which are on the verge of going extinct. Secondly, the promotion of recycling. Secondly, the promotion of reusing and recycling of waste materials. We can promote the reusing and recycling of waste materials and contribute to a more circular economy. With the help of our device, instead of throwing away trash and causing pollution, we will take it to recycling centers for more efficient use of waste. Lastly, improper waste management contributes to global warming through the release of greenhouse gases like methane into the atmosphere. Additionally, incineration of waste contributes to global warming through the release of carbon dioxide and other pollutants into the atmosphere. With the help of our device, instead of burning trash, you can segregate them properly and use them for more efficient use.
I am here to demonstrate our project to you and show you the project components. So, this is the container which collects metal. This is the container which collects wet waste, and this is the one which collects dry waste. We set the default as dry because the percentage of dry waste is more than the others. So we're going to start by testing the dry paper. If I put it inside, the ultrasonic sensor senses and it drops because the default. We're going to move on to testing metal. So when I put the metal inside, the ultrasonic sensor senses and it turns to metal. And then this is the metal drops. So it returns to the default. So now we're going to test. You can see a wet paper here. As we put it in the machine, the ultrasonic sensor senses, it turns to wet and drops. And then it goes back to the default and waits from us. Let's move on to explain the project components. Here we use 3 sensors: an ultrasonic sensor which has a maximum range of 6 meters, but for this project we limited it to 5 centimeters. A water sensor which senses wetness or moisture content so as to know whether an object is dry or wet. A metal sensor which senses metal quantity to tell the machine when there's metal inside the general dustbin. We use 2 servo motors, one for the general dustbin opener and another one for the rotation of the main dustbins. We use the jumper wires to connect the actuators and the sensors to an extension board which is connected to the Arduino, through which we have loaded our code. And as you can see here, this is the code which we connected the 2 servo motors to pin 10 and 11. This one went to pin 10, this one went to pin 11. We connected the metal sensor to analog pin A1, and we connected the water sensor to analog pin A0, connected the trig of the ultrasonic sensor to pin 2, and we connected the echo of the ultrasonic sensor to pin 3. So we used 3 if conditional statements to make this project work. As you know, 1 for wet, 1 for dry, and 1 for metal.
Here we come to the conclusion of our project. Our project is a key step towards improving public health by improving waste management with the use of segregation, thereby helping life on land, water, and the environment at large. We are Team Stars.
Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.